Farr fam, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be doing another tech review. We have a very exciting video. We're going to be unboxing the new GoPro Max. We got this camera. We're super excited about it because this is our first ever 360 video camera. So we're just gonna dive in and just start opening this bad dog up. And if you guys want this camera, I'll put a link to it down below. So we got our good old pocket knife here.
It's funny because when Carter told me a few days ago that he ordered this, I didn't really know what it was. And then you just said 360 and I realized what you just ordered and I'm actually really excited.
Yes, I got the new, the first look. I just cut it. Let's see. We got the bundle. We got the bundle. It comes with an extra battery, which is always good because I think you guys know GoPro batteries are not the greatest. We burn through them all the time. It comes with this little, this is sweet. It's
cool.
It's this little tripod thing that you can hold, and it actually, what's really cool about it is I watched a ton of videos on it. It makes this little tripod disappear, so when you hold it, you can't even see it in the video. So,
oh my gosh, that is so exciting.
I know. And at the end of the video, we're gonna have like full test reviews and everything like that. So if you guys want to skip ahead, that's fine.
And also, me and Carter, in a little less than a month, we are traveling somewhere new. We're gonna have it be a surprise. So if you want to guess, you can guess where we're going. But we're not gonna share it till later. And we can use this.
Yes,
this will be really cool.
We can. And oh, look at this. Okay, so this is different. I have two other GoPros. I have the GoPro 10 and the GoPro 8. I used to have the GoPro 5, but I think I sold it.
That was
a long time ago. But look at this.
I don't even know how you open this.
I'm not sure. But look at this. Should we just like keep going through it? Peel on the bottom here. So excited to see this camera.
Oh my god, why won't this open?
You needed a knife? Here.
No, I won't trust myself with that.
Ready? The first look. Alright, so let's see what it has. So what it comes with is, first thing you always get with it is subscribe to the GoPro experience. For like $4, $5 a month, you guys can subscribe and get like warranty on your GoPros. I do it, it's for only $5, and what's really cool is you get unlimited cloud storage. Yes. You get unlimited cloud storage with these, which is awesome. So I love it. But guys, you also get handy dandy GoPro stickers. I have so many stickers of GoPro.
So many.
I have a ton. You get this little warranty thing and instructions. We're just gonna kind of wing it.
This is so cool.
I know.
Look.
Yeah, and so the bottom opens up.
You're not even showing it.
Yeah.
You didn't even show how you did it.
It just kind of, it's actually very, I have another one that's very similar, but it's not GoPro brand.
Why would you need it to open like that?
So if you want to do like a time lapse.
Oh, and you can leave it down.
Or if you just wanted to film and set it up and walk away.
I like it better if you're just like holding it.
Yeah, me too.
You're like, wow, that's actually really nice.
I know, it's like a matte finish. It's not like glossy. Like most of the time, the other one we have is like a glossy finish, which I'm not the biggest fan of.
And like it seems really sturdy. I mean, we haven't really used it, but it seems sturdy.
But guys, what's really cool about these.
Oh my gosh, that is so different.
Cool, what's really cool is on the bottom here, this is how like the new GoPros are. They have the mounts on the bottom. What's cool is you can just take them, fold them up, and you can set them on like a table or something if you want to film, and you don't have to. Back in the day, you couldn't set a GoPro up because it had that big massive housing around it. Now all this stuff collapses, and it does look like it has some like screen, like these lens protectors on it.
So this is the 8. The 10's plugged in right now, but this is the 8 compared to
the Max. So actually, it's very similar in size. I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger.
Really?
I did. Oh, it's so clean.
I would think if it was bigger, it'd be too big.
Yeah. I don't know how these open though.
You don't twist it. It
pops off. Just pops off. We'll keep those on. But yeah, I'm super excited. We'll get this bad boy plugged in here and get it fully charged up. and then we'll do some more videos on this. But the rest of the stuff in here, is that pretty much it in the thing?
And the charger.
Oh, in the charger. But pretty much it comes with basic stuff. It comes with another USB-C drive, which is awesome because Lindsay and I both have Androids, so we burn through these USB-Cs all the time. So we got one of those. We got a stick mount, which are always very useful, as I just probably lost it in my office. We got the battery one. This one's a blue one. And then we got just a standard mount with a screw. So guys, the next videos you guys are gonna see is...
Can we put it on?
Yeah. Boom. So then when you guys film,
oh my gosh,
here and there, and so it could video us and then video you guys as we film. So we'll get this bad boy plugged in, and how it works here is there's a little lever on the side. You push down and then this opens up, and then you can put your SD cards, you can put your battery in it. But I know somewhere I ordered a SD drive. It came with it in the bundle, but I don't see it, so we'll look around and see if we find it. But the next clips are gonna be us using the new camera. So we hope you guys enjoy it. All right guys, so we are actually at the lake here. We're gonna go ahead and turn our new GoPro on. We kind of skipped the setup part, and it's kind of windy, so I'm not sure how good the audio is gonna be. But yeah, it's time to turn this thing on. We kind of skipped all the instructions and just went straight to the video, so let's see if how good it is. All right guys, so this is the first video on our new GoPro here. We're gonna mess around with this thing. I want to get some videos of the dogs playing, and I don't know, we'll kind of convert this into maybe some cinematic shots and see how cool and awesome this thing is, or if it's even good or bad, I don't know. But it is windy, so I'm sure the audio is going to be kind of sketchy, so let's just start videoing more and going some different lightings. All this is going to be all unedited and just more raw videos. You know, I'm not going to mess with the lighting or the audio, so let's just go ahead and dive in. So I'm not sure how good the video is gonna, or the audio is gonna be on this thing, but this is just unedited raw audio on the GoPro Max here. Alright guys, we hope you guys enjoyed the reviews slash unboxing. Obviously, I'm just getting used to this GoPro camera. I understand that there's a lot of quirks and tweaks and things I probably need to do, but overall, it's a really cool camera with some high quality footage. I'm still getting used to the 360 and pretty much how to edit it. I had to download the the GoPro player on the computer in order to render all that 360 footage. But guys, this is a great camera. I'll put links down below if you guys want one, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Hit that like button and subscribe, and take care.